Hey guys, good morning and welcome to Forex Trading, your trading group. I'm Kram and my partner is Cash, and we're here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. A quick disclaimer, fam, we are not a buy or sell channel, alright? Let me repeat that. We are not a buy or sell channel. We use technical and fundamental analysis to find potential opportunities in these markets to bank pips, which we then convert into money, alright? So if you're looking for someone to tell you to buy now and sell now, you are on the wrong stream. But if you are looking to learn about these markets and, of course, trade the profitable Forex strategy live, then stick around because that's exactly what we're going to do. All right, so guys, CPI. Okay, big day, a lot of volatility, and we have CPI that's coming in to these markets in the next 11 minutes. Okay, listen, we're not financial advisors, okay? Any risks that you take upon yourself. Guys, risk management, money management is extremely important in these markets. Please don't be over leveraging your accounts, and make sure not to risk more than 1% on any given setup at any given time, okay? If you guys lose your accounts today and y'all aren't using the right risk management, that's not on us. Please, y'all are taking your own trades. You'll have to be more careful, be conservative. It is news, and y'all know how red folders can be, okay? So now, that being said, I am going to quickly share my screen with y'all. Alright, so this is what we're looking at on the indices. Can you guys see my screen? Can y'all see my screen, guys? Awesome. Okay. We also had a lovely London session today. This actually I haven't done the top down on Nasty. This is the same top down that we had for London. We had the buys that kicked in, boom, and these were the sells, which still haven't kicked in. Let's see, all right? The bigger break of structure sells would be down there, but maybe we could try and catch something from here as well on Nasty, all right? The dirty. I like this zone. All right? I like that area on the dirty. However, the bigger break of structure is going to be somewhere here. Okay, but we could maybe look at something like that. Again, if you want to be safe, and I know there are a lot of you that do this, but if you guys are going to be setting up orders and all of that good stuff, this is the region that you're looking to do that in, okay? Okay. I also have Goldilocks for you guys. I'll give you guys my biased closer to news. But for now, this is what we're looking at. All right, we could have these possible buys kick in. All right, and for the sells, we're looking to break below this area down here. Guys, please, you'll need to be practicing the appropriate risk management for your accounts, okay? I cannot be stressing on this more. A lot of you guys have been trading with us for months now, and don't be making amateur mistakes, okay? Learn from your mistakes and move past them, but also don't make stupid mistakes. Okay, so I also charted up EU today. I like the way EU was moving. I have a nice little level here on EU. Let's see if they want to break past this and give it to us, or if they just want to continue to push up. Okay, so let's maybe look at this region for EU. Cool. So we can expect some slightly slower markets. Hey Cram, could you answer me later in DM? Thanks. Sure, buddy, I will. I'm sorry, guys. I have too many DMs, and I keep them strictly for the one-on-one related stuff, which is why if I haven't replied to y'all, my apologies. Okay, it's just too much for me to handle, man. I'm a trader, and I'm horrible at replying to these messages. Okay. Sure, sure, camper. There you go. That's a you. Millzone, we have about 7 minutes. If you want to go ahead and give us a little shout out to the rest of the community, it'd be nice, buddy. Guys, please, please, please make sure you're practicing the right risk management, okay? If y'all want, I will start setting stop losses for you guys as well so that y'all can calculate your risk accordingly. But just don't be risking more than 1% on any given trade, man. It's truly not worth it, okay? May your trades be blue and your stop losses be a break even. That's all I got. Cheers, man. I love that, brother. I love that. I couldn't have said it any better myself. Okay, one-on-ones. What are we seeing here? What are we seeing on Nasty? It's pretty straightforward, pretty clean today. Even though the last 3 CPIs have been duds for the past 3 months. Let's hope we get some volume here, okay? Let's hope we get some nice moves. And please do not over leverage your accounts. Follow the right and healthy risk management, because everyone's account is different. I can't be giving you guys lots, and trust me, even if I could, I wouldn't be giving you guys lots, okay? There are some things that you need to learn by yourself, be it on our streams, be it on the one-on-ones, be it on YouTube, be it from any freaking college, whatever it is. But there are some things that you've got to learn yourself, okay? Because if you guys are going to be spoon-fed everything in these markets, there's no way that you're going to have a long career in them, okay? So just practice risk management and take this in. Don't risk more than 1% of your account at any given time. Good job, Zero. That's what we're looking at, okay? Let's see if they want to respect it. All right, let's see if they want to respect our demand and start pushing to the upside, or if they want to start to sell. Okay? Goldilocks, Goldilocks. Let's see what Goldilocks is doing. Okay. Alright, so this is the last 5-minute candle before CPI, you guys. Is anyone in any sort of trades? Anyone looking at anything? What's happening, you guys? Listen, the ones on the fundeds, refrain from orders, okay? I'm just letting y'all know. Even if y'all are going to be taking orders, make sure 1/10 of your position. All right, this is for my one-on-ones. This is for you guys, okay? 1/10 of your position. Refrain from using fucking orders, because y'all know how these brokers can completely whip your backside. All right, so just please be careful. And what's your bias? Rapid and Camper, you guys. Let's keep the suspense brewing for another minute or two, huh? No, I'm just kidding. Well, see, y'all know me, okay? My biases are always based off of price action. Pretty straightforward. It's price action, okay? I read these candles, the ones that are on the mentorship program with me, you guys know it. All we do is we legit just read these candles for what they are, okay? Now, that being said, it doesn't mean price is going to respect it, all right? Because those will be our break of structure areas, but they'll also happen when they have to happen, all right? And y'all know liquidity grabs are a real thing in this market, so let's not go too crazy. But I do believe, and I have been monitoring Dow Jones for a couple of days now. I do believe that we should short this market, okay? Straight up. Now, that being said, we could have a nice liquidity grab and then actually begin to short this market, okay? So, Nasty may or may not follow. We're going to have to find out. But I like the shots on Dow, and I like the shots on Dow here, all right? Now, for the ones that are fast enough, y'all could definitely bank in and out of this as well. But let's see how it moves, okay? But price action says we should short this market, okay? And Goldie. All right, so that was my bias for the dirty. Goldie, on the other hand, I do believe should, based off of price action. Let's look at this region, okay? Let's look at this region up here. Let's see if we can buy the market, and let's see how we react to the daily resistance up there. All right, what's your stop loss going to be for this setup? It's pretty straightforward. All right, so we could have... All right, that's it. That would be your stop loss. Okay, and if you're looking here, That would be our stop loss. Straightforward, okay? With massive news like this, how do you usually play it? I am not on a funded, so I usually am able to get in on the impulse. But yeah, I'm gonna quickly set up an order actually on that note. Give me a quick second. For the one setting orders, you'll be looking at around this area, okay? This break, the daily support. That's if the markets want a shot, alright? Before that happens, we could go boop and then come back down. Alright guys, give me a quick second. Alright, look at Nasty starting to push in. Yeah, the impulse is scary. You guys don't need to trade the impulse. Even if you're trading the impulse with orders, use the right risk management. You'll have stop losses. Okay, look at that. Nasty is starting to drop. Okay, let's fix these levels on Nasty now, alright? Let's look at this. Okay, so the break of that, and we could continue to push down even further on news if it wants to happen, alright? So we have about 30 seconds to CPI, you guys. Please don't go too crazy. Let's have a good one. If y'all hear me screaming, and if I stop talking, it just means I fainted. Nothing more than that, alright? So let's have a good one, and CPI in the next 20 seconds, okay? Alright, let's take a look at Goldie. Alright, gold's not doing much. We're gonna have a look at the indices. Come on. Listen, they may go super boop all the way there and then come back down. Okay, so don't be hitting sell just like that. And this is CPI. Let's go. Alright, that's what we thought. Look at that. Let's see if that's a liquidity grab or... That's it, man. Okay. No fucking liquidity grabs over here, you guys. No fucking liquidity grabs. Let's see. Solid wicks coming in. Alright, so we have a new level of resistance, newly found right up here. Alright, and still climbing. Wait for this first candle, you guys. This is not good price action. Straight. Oh, fuck me. And that's what I missed. Okay, look at gold. That's the one we should have been trading idly. But we didn't. Which is fine. Let's look for either the continuation or the rejection on Nasty. Okay, so it never broke our level down here. Was anyone looking at gold? Was anyone trading gold? Beautiful move on gold, you guys. Solid bullish move. Alright, the dirty's still pushing, man. This is not respecting price action. I'm not getting in on any of this. Alright, I'm okay with missing out on these trades. Rather than FOMOing into anything, I don't want to get caught into a liquidity grab, okay? So for the ones that didn't get in on any sort of trades like myself, let's wait for this first candle to close in the next 3.5 minutes. $1 a pip and caught 60 pips on gold. Cheers, man. That's $60 for you, Zero. Congratulations. Gold still pushing. Boom. Okay, this is what we meant, you guys. Even though price action may tell us one thing, it's not always going to play out that way in that moment, okay? So let's see if they want to make this a liquidity grab or if it's just going to continue to push higher and higher and higher, okay? So let's move on to the higher time frames and let's try and find a nice little key level in case the buys want to still push further. There's nothing up there. Let's look on the early. Nothing there as well. Nice level coming in somewhere here. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Fucking hell. Look at Nasdaq. All the way up to the bullish target marked by cash effects this morning. Lovely. Let's take a quick look at the DXY as well. Alright, EU went bullish. GU went freaking bullish. Everything's going bullish, you guys. Everything. That's crazy right now. Okay, let's wait for the close, the retest, the rejection, and see if we kind of want to get into any sort of moves moving further, okay? Did anyone get in on any sort of feelers or anything of that sort for the buys on the dirty? I was up like 1K for a second and then got out at 400. Well, that's gonna happen, man. That's all good. Sorry about that, you guys. 40 pips on Nasty. Cheers, Raul. Cheers. I don't feel very good about the buys. I'm gonna be very, very honest with y'all, which is why I'm not in any sort of trades right now. I had a nice little setup for the sell sitting right there at that demand, but I'm gonna catch it when price wants to respect the analysis, okay? Should have been trading this, man. Should have been trading this. We have a nice bullish target that we could go to up there. So let's see how this candle closes in the next 55 seconds. And we'll then take a call. Okay, so for the ones trading this, watch for the retest and the rejection, okay? I haven't gotten on anything, by the way, you guys. I am in on 0 trades right now. 0. Okay? Not trading anything, just watching. Let's see if we want to get any sort of cleaner moves, okay? Okay, that's the new candle open. They are continuing to push higher. They're still pushing. Did anyone get in on the retest rejection? Anyone trading the dirty or nasty right now? In nothing right now. Likewise, buddy. Likewise. You don't want to be part of this chop. Well, it's not really chop, it's volume, but it's not clean volume. Caught 100 on gold. Beautiful, man. Congratulations. You still have that move coming up there, okay? Another about 15 pips. That would be your TP. I'm in nothing. Likewise, Kyle. Nothing. B2, no trades. Same here, man. Just looking, okay? Just looking. Fucking hell, I wish we were looking at gold, you guys. I had my eyes on the dirty for quite some time, but I wish we were looking at gold. Don't be buying the top, you guys. BTC candle is crazy. What's happening on crypto? Hey, I like that. I like that. Solid supply coming in over here, though. Let's see if we want to break that. Nasty retest, yes, Scott, but I don't like the buys, man. But yes, if you're asking me if that's considered a retest, yes, it is. Absolutely. Look at that. Okay, I don't like that. I didn't from the beginning. I made it very clear to you guys. I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna chill for price to do its thing, man. It's all good. If y'all are getting in on the buys, please make sure you're using the right risk management, okay? There was a reason that we didn't have a green box up here for the buys. It was because we didn't have enough confluences for the buys to qualify as a good trade to share with you guys, okay? So that's when y'all don't see a buy or a sell box, it's because we don't have enough confluences. So this to us is just pure dirt. It's pure manipulation, and it could possibly the move before the move. Okay? Goldie's starting to get rejected. I'm waiting to see if ETH rejects or pushes that resistance. Yeah, 1900, solid 1900. We've been holding at 1900 for quite some time. We've been getting some nice little reactions at 1900 as well. So, I think we break past 19 and touch 2K. Right, that's gonna be the real psychological test for ETH. Right, so we're gonna have to see. And this is only on the 5 minute, right? With crypto, you want to get the bigger picture, however. Yep. Solid supply. Same story, okay? So we need to respect that, okay? Because if we don't respect this, if we don't respect this, this is going to act as a neckline for the nice trend reversal patterns that we're seeing over here. And then that's going to be an issue, right? So we could go boop and all the way down there. Or we could do that, that, and that. So it's either or. We're just going to have to wait for a bit and see which one. Cheers, Camper. Cool. We have some sellers that are now coming in. Alright, we're most likely going to retest half that candle. Okay, so maybe somewhere in and around this area, maybe the 33,800 region could be our nice test. Probably going to get a bigger move from market open. Maybe that's what this is for. Did anyone bank on the buys for the dirty, for nasty, for gold, for anything? I want to see W's in the chat. Did anyone make some on these buys up here? It doesn't matter if you've made it on a Fila. It doesn't matter if you've made it on a Corolla or a Lambo. But have you guys caught any sort of moves from the setups that are in front of you right now? Caught gold, luckily. Good. I mean, I'm so envious right now, man. We should have been looking at gold. I was just so invested on the dirty, and I'm still gonna be, because trust me, after this call, you guys are gonna see my profits off of these dirty sells. Right? I kid you not, but I was a bit too invested on this. I should have been looking at gold. Well, we all make mistakes. I caught the opposite on a Fila. On what, JJ? Meta lag so hard, so got out nasty. Awesome, man. Meta lag, so that's what they do, man. Brokers do that. They up your spreads. There are just so many people trading at the time that it takes time to fulfill your order. Okay, so that happens. Okay, now let's see if they want to come all the way back down or if they're going to respect these areas. We're going to have to find out. Well, it was a nice EU level sitting right there. GU picked up solid support, getting rejected from our initial stop loss area. Could start to maybe flourish back down. Okay, there are gonna be some days like this. Okay, I haven't gotten in on a single trade as of right now. I'm just watching, I'm just chilling, and let's see what these markets want to do. All right, what's up with you guys? It feels like it's been a while since I've spoken with y'all. We haven't come live in the past 2 days. I hope you guys weren't trading yesterday, because yesterday was a really fucking choppy trading day, all right? All through and through. But was anyone trading these dirty markets yesterday? No? Yeah, they were really freaking dirty, man. Everything was going just there was rangy sideways trading through and through these markets. Lenny, you were trading it. I hope you had some success trading these markets yesterday. I avoided until today bank holidays in my country, so didn't want to trade on certain markets. That's good. There are quite a few bank holidays for the rest of this month, so I grabbed a nice win yesterday. Cheers, man. Good stuff. Let's take a look at some effects. Alright, GU starting to push down. Let's take a look at the higher time frame. Okay, we're building some supply over here. Okay. Supply coming in over here. Let's see if we maybe want to start to push down. Okay? Maybe. Beautiful. Gold picking up some support from here. ETH dumped. Well, that's not really a dump. It's just, I'd call this a healthy retest. Okay, gold could possibly coming into our little reversals as well. Alright guys, we can have some gold sells right here. Alright, right where we're at. Could maybe start to test these out all the way down to our origin point of this move, okay? Test it out. This is only testing the markets. Nothing more, nothing less, alright? So the dollar bled. We're having a retest on the dollar right now. This may start to go back and make maybe a little bit of a double top, or it could just start to maybe fill this big candle over here, okay? Okay, so we have negative news CPI. Today is FOMC. Yes, today is FOMC minutes too. In the next couple hours. Okay, just an impulse. Nothing more. Just an impulse. They're testing it out. They're checking it out. Let's keep our eyes on Goldilocks. Let's see if Goldie wants to do something. I'm just gonna test out a little gold sell, okay? $1. I haven't taken any sort of trades today at all, so I wouldn't mind just testing this out a little bit, okay? Just a feeler, and you could have your stop loss all the way at those highs. Alright, that'd be about 58 pips. Okay? Alright, I'm in with a tiny dollar, you guys. Just $1 just to test it out and see what they want to do. You trading FOMC live, bro? Probably not, buddy. Probably not. The next one, hopefully I will. But not this one, man. Okay, let's see. I'm still just watching you guys. I haven't taken any trades so far. Just one little feeler trade on gold, which I've taken now to test out the sells possibly, which could be coming in. So, let's see. All right, let's take a look at GU. All right, we're coming back over there. EU. Let's get rid of this and let's switch this up with GU. Perfect. Okay. I like this area for GU as well. Looks good. Let's see if we want to maybe break from there and make a little bit of a move. Okay, so let's see what happens in the next 10 minutes. It's going to be the early swap. If not, then there's a solid chance that, you know, we're probably going to have to just stay on market open. So we're going to have to find out, okay? Let's watch. What are you guys up to? Is anyone in any sort of trades right now? Or are y'all also just watching? What are y'all up to, guys? Gold feeler. Okay. Just be careful though, okay? Don't over leverage with your feeler because this could create higher highs. I've gotten in with the feeler, keeping that in mind, right, buddy? I'm down like $2. Okay. Hmm. Damn, RIP. No McDonald's for me. Hey man, we could probably still catch that Big Mac, okay? Don't worry about it. Even if not, listen, you guys don't need to stress, okay? Because y'all are gonna have my level. So even if it doesn't happen on the session, it's all good. Just throw on a freaking alert for these levels on your charts, and when price hits them, boom, get in. Use the entry exit strategy. Get in, get out, make your pips, and we can then go and get some hash browns and a nice Big Mac, okay? Tell me if I'm wrong, Krem, but if that candle closes to where it is on Nasty, that could be a retest for the sells. Yes, and yeah, definitely. But I'm still looking for more confirmation. All right. Um, this isn't a break of structure, if that's what you're asking me, JJ. All right. This doesn't seem like a break of structure. The break of structure would be below this. All right. So we could possibly mark that up. That's what we can do. Wait to maybe get a little bit of a break here. Why do I say that, JJ? Because there's a good chance that we're gonna pick up, that we have some demand sitting over here, and we're gonna pick this back up to go and make whatever pattern that we want to, right? So we could go we could go like that and then maybe come back down. You see what I'm saying? So this would be a break of structure to the downside. Let's take a look at them. What is Forex doing? Alright, creating lower lows. I'm liking that. Very, very overbought. Let's take a look at the EMAs. Okay, boom. Solid uptrend. Let's... Okay. Also coming into a little bit of a pennant. Cool. Let's see how price wants to react around here, okay? Babe, can you give me a lighter? Please. Before you go off, bro, can we see BTC and ETH or ETH points? I don't really do much crypto, but sure, man. Why not? Why not? If it's price action, for sure. I got you. Okay, so y'all can see Nasty and the Dirty are doing pretty identical right now. Alright, so I'm just chilling right now, you guys. I'm just watching and lighting myself a cigarette. Alright, let's take a look at gold. Gold retesting, maybe that's not a retest yet, bro. If we break past that, it would be a retest, okay? So this is only the impulse candle, which still hasn't closed in our box. So this isn't a trigger trade as yet. Let's close in our box and then see what they want to do. Okay. 4 minutes to go on this candle. So for a retest, you want to see a close in our box and then... Yep, that's correct, that's correct. That would be the impulsive break, the about it, okay? Alright, so they are picking up support. GU as well. Alright, let's see in the next 4 minutes if we're gonna get... There you go. Alright, like we spoke about, okay? Both Nasty and the Dirty, they have picked up demand from here, possibly going up to retest the highs up there. And it's definitely already identified that we have solid supply sitting up there. So let's see if they want to test those highs or if they want to break past and create higher highs. Okay, but we're also coming into some nice little resistance right there. So let's watch and let's see. This is what I meant, you guys. These markets are not meant for you to play around in today, okay? Either you have an analysis and you stick with that, or you just get whipsawed. It's one of the two. Okay, so price is starting to get very choppy right now, as y'all can see. On GU, kind of on gold, on the indices as well. Very Vicky, very rangy. Pretty choppy to me, okay, you guys? Oops, no, Zoe. Fucking hell. Babe, can you get her? Sorry about that, you guys. So he's a bit too tiny, so she jumps around like a cat on everything. I kid you not, she's like a cat, she's barely a dog. Oh yeah, we've got two of them. We've got two of them, and they keep us busy. Keep us very busy. Double trouble. Okay, I am back and good to go. Okay, watch that. That's coming in. Impulse onto the Dow. That's definitely a bigger break of structure, but watch for that, okay? If you guys are in on this right now, y'all should only be in on an impulse, okay? So let's see if we get a retest rejection of this move pushing to the downside. Okay? Alright, Goldie's coming down into our box as well. Alright, the dirty is trying. They're trying. If you're in on this, small positions, okay? Nothing too big. Let's see in the next 3 minutes and 20 if gold wants to close. So the early didn't really bring in any momentum. Maybe we have a pop for market open, okay? So far, nothing. I know, right? Maybe if more people type it into the chat, gold will probably start listening. What do you guys say? Let's speak to gold. Let's tell gold drop into the frickin' box. Type it out, guys. Let's see it. Bleed. Yes, sir. It's not bleeding though, man. Fuck, I kid you all not, I have been tracking the dirty for about 3 days now, man. I was just so confident with these sells down here, and I still am. Don't get me wrong, all right. But this liquidity pop, we need to get rid of all of this. Okay, we had that one massive ass candle, and now we've already worked our way towards half of that candle. Okay, now we've got another about 30 minutes, 28 minutes to maybe clear the other half as well. So let's see, all right. And if they start to create high. If they start to go back up again, then we're going to raise our sell boxes higher, okay? So let's see. These markets can't be buying forever, you guys. Goldie's being a tease, as always. All right, guys, 1 second, 1 second. Sorry about that, you guys. Dog trouble again. Sounds like Pips isn't happy about gold's movement. Yeah. Okay. Dirty's still trying. Not giving us anything positive, but Dirty's still trying. I like this on Dirty, okay? Let's see if we break past that in the next 50. Alright, gold's trying as well. My gold feeler is up by about 20 pips at this point. Okay, very, very slow right now, you guys. Very slow. Okay, guys. US 30. Alright, I'm in on this trade. Nothing too big, but I am running on this, okay? I'm up by about 2 grand on this right now. Okay, let's see if we want to break past that and come down even further. Okay, 3,000, 3,300, 3,600. I'm up by... There you go, 4,200. Boom, boom, boom. Let's break. There you go. 6 grand on gold for CramFX. Okay, this is lovely. 6,000. I'm going to change this to break even. It's a 20 pip move already. I don't want to risk any more, okay? 33866. Alright, cool. Guys, I'm in a break-even position, running by 20 pips right now. 20 pips and counting. 6,000, I'm seeing 6 grand. Let's break down to our fucking hourly resistance. No, not as yet. 6 grand doesn't get me to faint, okay? I need some bigger figures to get me to faint. Alright, 6,000, 6,000. No audio? Guys, do y'all hear me? Do y'all hear me? Hello, hello, hello. I was talking. I'm up and running. I pulled out 6 grand from this trade, if y'all can hear me. I pulled out 6 grand from this drop. Millzone, you still can't hear me? Holy shit, is that thing happening again? Is that happening again? Is it only... My Indian fam? Oh my fucking Christ. Are y'all shitting me? VNS, are you Indian as well? Guys, whoever can hear me, just message on the chat and let me see if it's our Indian fam. Okay, everyone that can hear me. Rahul, India. All right, go on. Zero, India. All right, anyone else can hear me? Who else can hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Nobody else can hear me. I don't know why. Okay, I hate when this happens. Guys, literally, I think only two of y'all can hear me, which is very fucked up. Um, it's really fucking weird, man. Kyle, can you hear me, buddy? Raul, क्या हो रहा है भाई? We started Discord and still the same. Weird. Yeah, only the ones from India can hear me. Fucking weird, man. This is the second time this is happening. Seriously, it's very fucking weird. Why can't people hear me? Can you hear me though? Look at gold. Goldies. There you go. Look at fucking gold. Alright, guys. It's weird. It's weird that this happens. It's the second time this is happening, and it's very fucking weird, I'm not gonna lie. Guys, the ones that can hear me, if y'all could just type it so the others know that we can hear him, I would appreciate that. Zero, Raul, you guys. Camper, you from India as well? I can hear Cram. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you. Just so they know. These are the shots, okay? In case they want to happen, but of course the bigger ones are going to be down there. These are the short term, the potential pullback to the daily resistance. There you go. You just made the announcement. Okay, gold is gold still trying. EU is doing nothing. Alright, let's look at the dirty. I'm gonna fix up the dirty. On the dirty. Let's move this down here. Alright, let's try to break that. And let's get rid of... Fuck, it's nice to not have to talk all the time, I'm not gonna lie, man. Rahul Zero. It's so peaceful. So peaceful. But it's fucking weird, man. I have no idea why this god would be this so fucking odd. What are the chances? What are the chances it's only the people in India that can hear me? It's honestly kind of... It's weird. It's very fucking weird. Cramp for gold by breaking the low. Do you mean closing below or just breaking down past it? It's both, guys. Come on. Down, retest, rejection, break. Gosh, you guys have gotten into the habit of spoon feeding. Let's look at GU, GU, GU. Okay, for the two of you that can listen to me, maybe a potential double top starting to play out on gold, right? So if that's the case, and if we happen to break past here, you could look to get into a quick buy position up to that high or up to our supply. That's only if y'all want to do it. Because if you're gonna try and do this, this is gonna be about a... Again, this may or may not happen, okay? So this would be about a... Okay? It's a pretty nice fat move, not a move that we should be shying away from, okay? But that's only and only if it happens. If not, then let's just continue to break down to this side, okay? Since y'all can hear me, just a little bit of a perk for you guys. All right, and if fuck, इन लोग को समझ में नहीं आएगा, मैं देख ही लेता हूँ. Anyone's trading fucking Nasdaq? Look at that. Look at that. How the fuck do I? Come on, who's catching gold? Come on, you guys. Who's catching gold? Who's catching gold? Who's catching? Excuse me. Who's catching gold? Watch for the buys. GU is playing out. Retest this. Retest rejection. Break of previous structure. Oh, I'm so sleepy, you guys. Raul, Zero, are you in anything right now? Very choppy, right? Very choppy markets. Just on feelers. Very choppy markets. Very choppy, man. Horrible price action. Um, I'm telling you guys, when these sells kick in, they're gonna kick in so fucking hard. It's gonna be ridiculous. Trust me when I say this. This whole momentum, or this big fat candle, is gonna get completely wiped out whenever those kick in. Trust me. It's let them manipulate it as much as they want. I want you guys to mark up about that level, okay? Or that level, okay? One of these levels will be a beautiful breaker structure, man. This one's to both of y'all because y'all can hear me. God nasty sells. So waiting for it to break the demand again for it. Good move. Okay, good. Just waiting for it to happen. Good, good. Let them buy as much as they want. We could even get up here to test out this high and possibly even test out that high, right? So these are very possible things in these markets. But when that happens, that's what's gonna activate the cells anyway, right? You get what I'm saying? So let's see. Let's see. All right, we could go boop boop, come back down, but this is where the breaker structure is happening. All right, so let's see. Goes just weak choppy. Nasdaq is picking up demand from here. Nasdaq's gonna start pushing up again, you guys. Nasdaq's going up. You know when this is gonna happen? This is gonna happen at like 5-10 minutes past the early. That's when the volume's really gonna kick into the markets. I feel like it's almost like they wait for us to close the sessions, and 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 that's when the moves happen. That's what it seems like. Seriously, but every single time, right? It's just I feel like it's gonna be not gonna miss out on it today. I agree. I agree. It's gonna probably just be just Hawkeye these levels, and you're gonna see, man. It's gonna happen. Even if we end the session, okay? I want you guys to be able to catch it. Exactly. Exactly. Okay. Just remember, sells, sells, sells. It will come in. It may or may not, but right now this shit is playing out. Okay. I'm just being greedy.